ਉਹ ਖਾੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਂਗ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਚੱਕੋ ਉਹ ਖਾੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਂਗ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਭਾਰੀ
अंधारू बाउंगरा ट्रेलर चूसारा नचिंदा मीको विषయం చెప్పాలి ఒక యాక్టర్గా నాకు బర్త్ ఇంచిది తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీనే నా డెబ్యూ ఫిల్మ్ వాజ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఇన్ 1980 వంశవృక్షం బాపు సాబ్ ద గ్రేట్ బాపు సాబ్ మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చా నీ ముందుకి లేట్గా వచ్చిన లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చా దిస్ ఇస్ మై సెకండ్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ రిలీజింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 43 years. 43 years back, I became a leading man over here in Andhra Pradesh and did a Telugu film. So I would need your luck. And of course, Mahesh Babu, well, we have a long family relation. I don't want to say what it is, but we are like family. I've known your better half since many, many years. She's wonderful. You're very lucky to have her. You have beautiful children. You have a great career. You're a family man. And that's the reason people love you so much.
ਹੋ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਰੌਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਗੰਡਾਸਾ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਗੰਡਾਸਾ ਹੱਥ
And Anil sir, your body of work is unparalleled. Your screen presence is unmatched. And I've seen the trailer, sir, and some of the shots, I literally got goosebumps. And it's just, thank you so much for inspiring us, sir. And I have one small doubt, sir. I hope I can ask you that. Do you go home and sleep in a cryo chamber? Because you don't age at all. You look the same, sir, and you're such an inspiration for us.